If your strawberries look like this, you are probably making one very common mistake. But fix this, and you'll get berries like this. If your strawberries are small, weak, or not growing well, this is usually the reason. When you buy new strawberry plants, they often start producing flowers straight away. And that looks great, but it's actually a problem. Because the plant is too young. Instead of building strong roots, it puts all its energy into making fruit. And that's why you get small strawberries. The fix is simple. For the first few weeks, remove the early flowers. I know, it feels wrong. But this forces the plant to grow strong roots and healthy leaves first. And later, you'll get much bigger, stronger berries. Once the plant is established, let it fruit normally. That's when you'll really see the difference. Simple change, big results.